Na. Ganda ng school nila dito. And the teacher is there. Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. I would like to say thank you sa aking mga super sticker senders and supporters. Thank you sa lahat. Sa lahat ng senders, thank you. Today guys, ayan, nandito yung 42 packs for ganito guys, ayan. I need to put, this one, pencil. Dagdagan natin ng pencil and then crayons. Kasi, this is 44, ganito. Sorry guys, 44 pala. 44 bags. At ibibigay natin to sa ating mga pupils doon sa Tagbinunga Elementary School. So, it is in the mountain guys. The elementary school, the school is in the mountain. So, we will going there later, okay? Ayan, lalagyan ko lang ng mga crayons and my pencils. Kasi, lalagyan na ng pencils to. And then, I just need to add. Ayan. Ganito siya, guys. Lagay ko siya. And then, pencils pala. And, of course, scissors. So, lagyan din natin siya ng scissors. Yes, scissors. And, tapos isang pencil. So, lahat ng ito, guys, is for Tagbinunga Elementary School. O, dadagdagan ko na lang to kasi meron na nito eh. Ayan, ganito siya guys. Ayan. So, meron siyang inside. There is sharpener, of course. May sharpener siya. And, ipakita ko sa inyo guys. Sharpener. And then, syempre, ayan, eraser. And then, ayan, meron tayong pencil case. Ayan, meron din siyang paper. Okay, there is paper. And, one pad. Okay, one pad yan. And, of course, two pencils. Ayan, two pencils. And, of course, ayan, may bond paper. Simple bond paper kasi they need it. Everything, ginagamit talaga nila sa school. Ayan yung crayon. Oh my God. Ito yung crayons. Ayan. And of course, there is also, my treats. Kasi they like treats, sweet treats for the kids. Ayan, may ice cream cone. I really like this one. And of course, juice. And meron din ganito. Tops, ayan. So, they like it so much. Kids love them. I know they will be happy. And teachers, they are also excited. Ayan, excited na din sila na to meet me. And of course, para sa mga teachers, there is 2 teacher, 44 kids. Ayan, there is 2 teacher, 2 section. Meron tayong ganap. Ayan, this is for the teachers, guys. And, syempre, hindi tayo papakabog sa mga teachers. 1 bag for the teachers. Oh, it looks so beautiful bag. Ayan, binili ko to sa mall, guys. I bought this all in the shopping mall, of course. And there is another bag. Ayan. Ang ganda ng bag. I like this one. Ayan, natupik ko. So, this is very, very nice bag. Okay, for the 2 teachers. So, of course, there is more. There is more, guys, of course. Pakita ko sa inyo ang iba pa. Okay, let's go. Ayan dito. Dito guys, okay. Dito there is 2 badmintons with shuttlecock inside. Ito ko sa inyo. Tadaan! then, ayan, 2 badminton. Dalawa to guys, okay? There's 2. And, may shuttlecock po siya. There is 3 pieces of shuttlecock inside. Shuttlecocks, okay? Inside. And, of course, syempre, this is for the higher grade guys. Kasi, this, school bags, this is 44, sila, grade 2, they are grade 2 pupils. And of course, they have some volleyball. Diba? May pag-volleyball si madam. Thank you so much subscribers and sponsors. Thank you so much. A special thank you to Heyo Dare and Bat Signal. Thank you so much for the love and support. And of course, to Wonder Love family. Thank you also kasi galing din sa yung sa sahod from YouTube, of course. From my salary in YouTube, nagbigay tayo. So, ayan. This is 2 box of for the teachers, of course. Aray ko, wait lang guys. Paano ba to? This is a chalks, okay? 2 box of chalks, of course. Ayan. I remember when I was a kid, I always get a chalk on the board. And I like to write on the board. So now, I'm so happy because I can able to... Ay, nabalo-bali na lang natin. Okay. Can able to buy for them. Ayan. Lagyan ko, lovely. This is 2 box, guys. Of course, 2 box of chalks. Ayan, ito. And, dadalhin na natin ito mamaya. So, ayan, guys. Ayan sila. Diba? 44 bags. Ayan. So, lalagay ko na rin yung gunting. Tatapusin ko lagyan yan. Thank you so much, guys. And of course, salamat sa lahat ng tumulong. To all the friends na who helped me to pack this. Of course, thank you so much. And tatapusin ko lang to. Then later, we're going to the mountain. Okay? So, that's it. Ayan, tatapusin kong lagyan to. There's a lot of, plenty of crayons need to put inside. And of course, ito gonting! Ang dami nito. Scissors, guys. Lagyan ko sila. And of course, ayan yung pencils. So, mamaya, punta tayo doon sa doon sa mountain. Kuya Era.
Dire. Ada lang dia. Ano tadi kan?
Wala dito? Okay, that is the school. Welcome to Tagbinunga Elementary School, guys. Ayan, so...
Pagong motor.
Ayan. Asa man di ayang gate? I think there's a lot of chicken. Guys, this is their school. There's a lot of chicken. Ay, come. There's a Tagbinunga Elementary School. So, let's go. Let's get inside, guys. I am ready to meet the teachers and children. So, ayan. Tsaka ang ganda ng school nila dito, guys. And the teacher is there. Ayan, si teacher is coming. Asa man di Aito?
Ya, ate.
Good morning, teacher. Asa man? So, paano kami dadalhin doon?
Wala. Pwede naman. Ang bako, pwede naman doon. Pwede na tumuli-liko. Nawakan mo nakakuan kayo. Nakaipon ang...
Ay, ang ganda pala.
Wa pag gibay ka ni daan mo na ang mga building mo na naman yung namin dito.
Ah, ang ganda. Sige, dito na lang kami. Pasok ko sa Kuya Ellen, no?
Oh, diha niya.
Diha.
Diha ako tud sa kanang office. Ano ang office diha?
Yeah.
Hi! Ayan. I'm so happy, guys. The kids are very happy that they get their school packs. They're so happy and ayan, welcome here, guys. This school is far away from the city. There's a lot of chicken, come on. We can bring chicken. We can bring chicken. See? I'm so happy, guys. Let's go next time. No, it's done. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.